So hi, I'm Paton from the University of Rhode Island, and we're out here on Block Island at one of the largest great black-backed gull colonies in eastern North America. So to trap the gulls, the easiest way to trap a gull is to find their nest, go in the colony, stick this cage over the nest, wait for the bird to come back to start incubating, pull the stick, and then the cage goes over it. You run up, grab the bird, make sure to not get bitten, and then we process them. And we put these satellite tags on them, and we're really interested in the offshore movements of the gulls in the local ecosystem. And I've been working in Block Island Sound for the past 20 years, looking at before offshore wind turbines came here, kind of planning where's the best place to stick the wind turbines to have minimal impact in part on wildlife populations. It turns out Block Island was the place they selected. So 5 turbines went in, and since then there's been a lot of work done, and now we're really interested in all the other offshore wind turbines. How does that affect the movement ecology of a lot of marine birds? So we're really getting a better indication of what the potential impacts of offshore wind are on avian populations in New England.